and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Stitch Fix box, and this box is for the month of November. I ordered it maybe about 3 weeks ago, and when I had ordered it I was hopeful I'd get it in time for Halloween, believe it or not. I asked for a pair of combat boots. So let's dig in and let's see what is in this box. And by the way, I believe that this fix is, well, let's see what number. I know it's in the 30s. Oh, on top, my paperwork. And in the paperwork comes, and I will not look at this, but this has all of the items, my receipt, and also a style card with all of the items in the box. So yes, this is fix number 35, and here is my stylist note. I have Emma again. Happy 35th anniversary, Janine. I'm so happy you loved your camo jacket. It inspired me to grab these RD style joggers. That'll be great for keeping cute and cozy at home. Now I know too much of a good print is still too much, so let me know if you want to take a break on the camo. Pair the joggers up with this one shoulder Mely top for the perfect lounging style. When you're headed out the door, grab a classic jean or cargo jacket and add these FRANCO SARTO boots. Since you're on the hunt for a combat boot style, I made sure to send these your way. They'll definitely give your look an amazing and truly on-trend edge. Lastly, to keep you cozy and add fierce print to your winter wardrobe, I chose this boho tie-dye top made here in the USA and this chic leopard pullover. I'll be looking for your feedback. Cheers, Emma. So it does look like I got combat boots, but I'm going to give a little side note. I bought a pair of Doc Martens. I had Doc Martens back in the day. I was born in the 70s. I was a teenager in the 90s. So I was a teenager during all things grunge. So yes, I bought myself a pair of Doc Martens. So I don't know if I need these, but we'll try them on. We'll see. They look like they're a little different style. That said, very quickly, let's take a look at my bundle. This package came FedEx, but I believe you get a mailer, and this goes back through the post office. And yes, here are the boots. So just open, take a quick look before we get to the try on. Here they are. They're black. They have like a buckle. And yes, they are combat, but mine have laces up. These have no laces, but they have a zipper. So they are a little different from what I ended up getting. So we'll see how that works out. And also, here is my bundle. And you can see the note. And here are the prints. It looks like there's that camo print. Looks like a little bit of animal leopard print, some tie-dye, and some khaki green. So I'm excited. I'm going to crack right into this package, and we are going to get right into the try-on. But before I do, I just want to mention how Stitch Fix works. It is a subscription styling service. You fill out a style profile, and when you first get styled, normally you pay $20 for that style fee. But if you use my link in the comments, you can get that style fee waived, and you also can get $25 to style your first fix. So anything you buy, in your first fix, you get $25 to spend in that box. So feel free to use that link in the comments. But now I'm going to step away, and when I return, we'll be back with that try on. So hang on for that. So here I am with the try on with the first two items in this fix. On top is by Market & Spruce. This is the Mely single cold shoulder knit top. And the prices you will see on the card before this outfit. But I believe this is $48, and this is an extra small and in the olive color. So this is a really cute top. The cold shoulder detail. If you can see, I am wearing a regular bra and the bra strap is hidden totally. So you're just seeing my shoulder, but I don't need to wear a special bra, which I really like with this top. Also, the color is again in olive. And if I back up, you can see the length of the top. It is the same length in the front and also in the back. And on the bottom, I am wearing the joggers. These are the Arty style. These are the Francisco print waffle texture jogger. And these joggers are in, they're saying a gray color, a size small, and $64. I do like these joggers. They're like a textured, not sure you can see. I'm gonna come closer to try to show you. They're in the camo print, but they're in like a textured waffle knit. They have pockets. And I just want you to see they have, I don't have the tie tied. Let me tie it. It does have the like little tie front. But then if you have it tied, like a shirt like this, you're going to see the tie kind of puffing out. But here they are. Here are the back of them. And here is the bottom. Has like a little cuff at the bottom, like an elastic cuff. They're cute. And again, like I said, they're in like a waffle print. So, and everybody knows I do love camo. And the note in the intro, my stylist is spot on with the camo. I'm not sure. I mean, I have regular joggers. They're like not a waffle knit. So they're a little different that I ended up picking up out of my recent trend send. So I'm not sure I need them. But again, we all know how I am with the camo print. And this top, I do really like it. It's different, and I don't know if she said you could style it with the joggers. It does go very nicely, the colors. But again, I think you could wear this with jeans, with maybe even, I'm not so sure with leggings, but this is something that you could probably dress up or dress down. So again, you're seeing it with the joggers, but I could probably dress it up with jeans and maybe cute like brown booties. So I have to think about it, but and again, it's not a bad price. So again, here are the first two pieces. I will be back. I have the boots and two other tops. Okay, I'm back, and I switched up the items that I was wearing. And on top, I actually have two items on, but there were no pants other than the joggers. So I felt this top would not go with those joggers. So I switched them out to a pair of like fake leather black leggings that I own from a trunk that I had gotten a couple of years ago. But you'll see the whole outfit because I'm wearing the boots on the bottom. And that's it. On top, I have, let me make sure I can see. Okay, so I have the pink clover. This is the Abbey button back knit top. And this is in the, they're saying brown color, size extra small, $44. But this is like an animal print. Kayla, you could tell me better. I think I'm wearing leopard, but my friend Kayla, she loves animal print like I love camo. But you can see, I'm going to back up so you can see the whole top. So this is the length. It's decent length. I think it's pretty much the same length. I'll turn around in a second. Again, a lot of these tops I've noticed when they're long in the front and long in the back, they kind of have like this rise on the side, so like it rises up on the side a little. But there's the side, here's the back, and like I said, there's these buttons in the back. So I'm going to come closer so you can see the button detail, but there's buttons going all the way down. The last button, if I walk away, I believe is here. So the bottom is here, here's the last button. They're not real buttons, they're just for show. Very cute though, I do like, and like I said, I'm wearing with, these are by Commando, these leggings. I got them in a trunk probably, I want to say 2 winters ago, but I think they look cute with like the black on the bottom with the this print. And by the way, there are patches, there are elbow patches on the sleeve, which I kind of like this. I think you either really love this trend or you don't. I like this. And the actual cuff is just black. So, and here's the top. And now I'm going to back away so you can see. I am wearing the booties. These booties don't have, like I had said earlier, they don't have the lace in the front. I have Doc Martens and they have the laces. They're the same type of heel, not much of a heel to it, the Docs, as these, but they have the zipper. They have a zipper on the side, and on the other side, I'm going to take them off so you can see it closer. They have a buckle. So hang on, I'm going to take them off so you can see the actual booty. So here they are, and again they have like this buckle on the side, and they've like a stretchy type, so they stretch out a bit, and then they have this zipper closure, and it's like a threading. So come closer so you can see it. So that's the booty. I tried them on, but I'm going to be honest, because I have the Doc Marten boots, even though these don't have the laces, they're a little too similar for my taste with the heel. If they would have had maybe a higher heel to them, I don't know, there's something about them that I'm not 100% loving. Plus the fact the price, which I didn't give you all the information, so let me give you the rest of the information. So these boots are by FRANCO SARTO. They're the Seri lug sole booty. They're in the color black, size 6.5, and these are $159. And when I bought my Docs recently, which I had Doc Martens back in the day, but I recently purchased a new pair. They were from Famous Footwear, and they were, I want to say I paid a little over 100, but I don't need another so close in style, to be honest. I mean, they're cute if I didn't own those, and I did. I do not want to knock my stylist. I asked for these, but because I waited so long in between, by the time I got these, I had already ended up purchasing and buying the others. I couldn't wait. I'm going to be honest. I couldn't wait. I kept seeing the trend, the style, so I do already own. But these are not a bad combat booty option if you don't own. But the price point, like I said, it's the normal price point. That's what combat boots are going for. They're going for over $100 at this point, you know, between $100 and $200. So I just wanted you to see them a little better. But I have one more top. So if you give me a moment, I'm going to switch into that and be right back. Okay, I'm back with the last top in the box in this fix, and this is by KAILEIGH. This is the Katherine long sleeve waist tie knit top, and this I believe is in a size extra small. They are saying the color is gray, and it is the cheapest item in the fix, coming in at $38. You can see the colors. Here is like that gray, and then it has like a lighter, I don't want to say white, but it's like a lighter toned. So it has like that tie-dye effect. And if I back up, the feature on this top is this tie at the waist. So it cinches it in and gives it a tighter, almost elastic appearance at the waist. So here is the front. Here is the back. It's a very cute top and not a bad price point. You could probably wear this how I have it with just my regular pair of jeans. You might even be able to get away with wearing it with joggers, maybe even leggings. I mean, again, it could possibly work. But that said, I just want to go over some of the pricing in this fix. So the total of this box is, without any discounts, comes to $353. The buy all discount in this box is $88.25. So you get 25% off if you buy all 5 items in the fix. And I have a promo credit for $24. So thank you to whoever used my link, because I somehow got a $24 credit, which I didn't think I was entitled to just yet, but somehow I am, so thank you. So if I were to buy everything and use my credit, the order subtotal would come out to, actually, let me say before that $24 credit would be $264.75. If I used the $24 credit, it would be a total of $240.75. Which, if I was to buy the boots, which like I said to you, that is the going rate for combat boots. They're usually between $100 and $200 for the boots. And for joggers and 3 tops for $240 is not a bad price point. However, I am not 100% sure what I am thinking about keeping at this point. I do need a little help. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to keep the boots, but out of the other 4 items, what did you like that I tried on? I would love to hear your feedback and your comments. I would totally appreciate that. So let me know, what out of the items that you saw in this fix do you think, again, I'm wearing the one last top, but out of this top, the cold shoulder top, or the animal print top, or the joggers, the camo joggers, what do you think I should go with? What did you like on me? Give me your feedback. Comment below and let me know what you think. Other than that, I just want to thank all of my subscribers for returning and supporting my channel, and also for new viewers, please hit that subscribe button below, and also give me the thumbs up if you like this content. And now I just want to say a simple thank you, and have a magical day, and bye for now.